Hello, Rebel fans and friends of the channel. Believe it or not, we have an unboxing video today. Our friend Fraser Jason has sent me a little gift. Well, it's kind of a re-gift, but we all understand that too. And I'm excited to open it up and see what we have. Well, so why don't we get right to it? Got our little handy dandy box cutter here, which is cutting boxes. And work our way through the tape and flip her open. I kind of have an idea what this is already. And oh boy, it's a box full of peanuts. But I think there's something more in there. Let's dig a little deeper. Oh. Try to keep these contained. Don't want to be rustling up packing peanuts. Let's make sure. Anything else in there? Nothing there. Nothing there. Okay. Let's get that out of the way. Now, all nicely wrapped up in plenty of bubble wrap. Keep it safe. Always greatly appreciated. Lots and lots of bubble wrap. Very nice. Have to hold on to that. In case I'm going to do any gifting of my own. And it appears to be avocado. And it's a SD70 Acer. Virginian. Look at that. Very pretty. Yes. Let's get it out of the package and have a closer look. Oh yeah. Very nice detail. We can find a place for this on the old layout, if I ever get it finished. I'm still on my temporary out in the other room, but I think that's going to make a nice addition. What do y'all think? I appreciate your generosity, brother. This is going to make a great addition. I don't really know how to carry on one of these things beyond getting it out of the box. Things are kind of tore up right now, so we're not going to take it for a run. But big thank you to Fresno Jason for finding this place a new home. Everybody have a great day, and keep your wheels on the rails. Have a good day.